the expansion of the universe in the Holy Quran.
وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ.
And it is we who have built the universe with our creative power, and, verily, it is we who are steadily expanding it. The universe is continually expanding. However, we don't notice the effects of this expansion. This is a fact that was mentioned in the Quran 1500 years ago. The illustration below depicts the expansion of the universe. It was only after the development of the radio telescope in 1937 that the necessary details of the expansion of the universe were observed and established. Out of these observations, astronomers have now presented the Hubble constant theory. This enables us to gauge the rate at which the universe is expanding. The miraculous nature of the Quran is that it contained this information long before man had any idea about this topic. According to astrophysicists, the age of the universe is 13.7 billion years old. This means that at the moment of creation, the universe was a single unit. It then expanded from this unit with a big bang that used an enormous amount of energy. Surah 51 verse 47 refers to this energy which is responsible for the creation of the universe and its continuous expansion. This expansion had only been noticed at the beginning of the 20th century by Edwin Hubble, who derived his law from Georges Lemaitre. In 1927 Lemaitre proposed that the universe has been expanding since the Big Bang and had estimated the value of the rate of expansion. This proposal was confirmed by Edwin Hubble in 1929 from his observation of redshifts. Redshifts are observed when light emanates from a body that is moving away. In opposition, blue shifts are observed when matter is approaching the observer. Through this finding, Hubble was able to observe that galaxies were moving away from each other. The movement of galaxies requires an enormous amount of energy, and these movements are still continuing. This energy is divine. Similar to the bouncing of a ball, cosmic bodies must return to its origin in the absence of any other force. A ball when thrown into the air will return to the ground when gravity begins to supersede the propelling velocity. Likewise, when the propelling force of cosmic bodies is exhausted, they must return to their point of expansion. This is known as the Big Crunch, and the Quran also refers to this in many places. The Quran refers to the repetition of the occurrence of the Big Bang after the Big Crunch. This is called the cyclical universe or oscillating universe. All these facts exist in the divine message, and as the world advances in science and technology, the Quran is ready to provide evidence to convince the people that its message is divine.